And he always used to tell, if you want to control your wife, you have to slap her. So that was a role model. And he said, well, matter was deciding a location for house. And that small thing, he got wild and he slept. And then he was feeling guilty. He started crying. But that moment, it modeling that my father told that you have to control wife by slapping her.
Is it just weakness or insecurity less?
It is.
Your specs.
The boy did not see right and wrong. He saw that time it was required. And father told, you will not understand this. ये ऐसा ही करना पड़ता है. It was imprinted on his mind. And he could not discriminate at that time. And therefore he slept. See, this thing, another, I'll give you an example. When I was, मैं गांव में काम करता था, तब एक देहात में हस्बैंड वाइफ मारामारी कर रहे थे, तो डंडे से मार रहा था. आई वॉज फीलिंग कि ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है. आई वॉन्टेड टू इंटरव्यू. गाँव वाले ने बोला, आप रोड झगड़ा करते मत जाओ. एंड दे डिडंट अलाउ मी टू गो. शाम को जब मैं गाँव से बाहर आ रहा था, दोनों एक थाली में खा रहे थे. तो आई कुडंट कंट्रोल. आई वेंट देयर एंड आस्क कि ये मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ, आप सुबह मारामारी कर रहे थे और अभी साथ में खा रहे हो. तो दैट लेडी सेड कि तुम्हारी समझ में नहीं आएगा. कहा ऐसे, पर मुझे समझाओ, मुझे समझना है. तो बोलता है, ये मुझे नहीं मारेगा तो किसे मारेगा.
जी.
तो मैंने कहा, पर मारना क्या है. तो बोला, ये आदमी अच्छा है. ओके, हाँ, और मैं उसको मारने दे दूंगी तो वो दूसरे के पास चला जाएगा. इट वॉज अ सोशल इनसिक्योरिटी. एंड हस्बैंड साइड, ये तो हस्बैंड वाइफ में चलता रहता है, तो इसमें आपको आने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. और फिर मुझे बोलता है, तू अभी छोटा है, तुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा, बड़ा होने के बाद समझ में आएगा. तो दे वर रैशनलाइजिंग दैट मारा मारी. एंड आई वॉज फीलिंग दैट एज अ वायलेंस. शी वॉज नॉट फीलिंग एज वायलेंस. शी सेड, आदमी अच्छा है. एंड दैट वॉज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. So when it is imprinted that it is role model that people behave same way. This why he slapped his wife, because father told कि wife को control करने के लिए मारना पड़ता है. So that role modeling. So the challenge for us is to present a right role model. And second thing, parenting. These days, violence is supported by parents.
So, sir, doesn't the education play a vital role in this?
Very
When
important.
it comes to the children,
See, these values,
exposed to such values.
marriage as a sanskar or marriage as a ritual is not taught.
Absolutely.
It is celebrated. See, पंडित जब शादी में कहता है कि धर्मे च अर्थे च कामे च नाति चरामी, आई विल नॉट डेजर्ट यू इन एनी केस. तो दैट टाइम दे आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू पंडित, वो फोटोग्राफ में बिजी होते हैं. वो यदि सुनेंगे तो वो शादी टूटेगी ही नहीं. दैट इज द टोटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस. एंड देयरफॉर कम्स एजुकेशन. एंड दिस डेज एजुकेशन में देश से कि इफ नहीं बनता है तो कायदा तो है, कोर्ट में जाओ, पैसा मांगो, फ्री हो जाओ. So one old elderly person talked to me a very bad way कि these days शादी एक धंधा हो गई है. ये जमा नहीं तो तू तेरे घर, मैं मेरे घर, I'll earn money. So it was a very bad statement. It was a pathology. So it is social pathology. So this is therefore this parenting or role modeling, everything is very important. If there is difference, don't do it in your presence of your children, with your neighbor. You are representing a role model. Having difference is okay, but it is not violence. And therefore, that is very important to become conscious. And therefore, I call everyone is a responsible citizen. Are you acting responsible father, responsible couple? If that happens, it will not get transmitted. And therefore, this role is very important.
We should start. It's never too late, as we can.
Yes.
Sir, and what role do parents and family members play in shaping an individual's mindset and decisions, particularly in the context of domestic violence when they experience that such things happen, or relationship behavior?
Yes. The role of parents is nurturing acceptance. See, marriage is between two families, not two individuals. Because that acceptance comes in two families, all things become good. But here it starts with if and but. See, the common language, very bad example I'll tell you. मेरे माँ बाप, माता जी पिताजी और तेरे बुड्ढा बुढ़िया. This is a language they use. So where do you accept respect? So there comes role of parents, respecting each other. When they are fighting, when there is some abusive behavior, parents should say no to it. So normally they say the boy's family takes his side, that he is right. He should say you are wrong. So parents' role come there, dominating them, intervening them and stopping that. It should not, people conveniently use their कि ये हमारे समाज में होता ही है, ये हमारे कल्चर में होता ही है.
So relationships are becoming quite conditional.
हाँ. So it is contractual. It is not commitment. I repeat that. It is always it is contract. If तुम ये करोगे तो मैं ये करूँगी.
Or the way the days when we used to tap the
Yes.
feet of parents and
Uh,
no hardly seen anywhere.
So and then that comes. If you do that for my parents, I will do for your parents. It is all condition, if and but. So there is no genuinity. So there comes that acceptance. Role of parents is very important. Both parents, girls' parents, boys' parents. Genuine acceptance.
And do you think in the era that you are existing in, is there any way of coming back to the such values?
Yes, it can be by role modeling, not teaching. They know what is right and wrong, but there is no role model.
Introduce the right word.
Yes. And then it starts from parents. They should become good friends, parents. If 5 friends become good role models, they will make 50 other people happy. And I do that in my marriage counseling. I have many good couples who can role model. Inter-community marriages, all are good role models. I'll give one example. There was one girl from Himachal Pradesh, and she wanted to marry a boy from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
So I have a clinical horoscope to take decision for marriage. So in that counseling, it came out to be horoscope. That this marriage cannot practice.
Okay.
And then that's both of them said that we want this marriage to happen. So that they took counseling for 1.5 years. That boy used to come from Bangalore. Every month he used to take conversation. One day that girl, she was a liberated girl wearing shorts and top. Once she came to me at my home in a rickshaw. She said, "Sir, you come out. There is a cartoon at your home." And when I went out, she was wearing sari. I said, "What is this?" She said, "I'm getting ready for marrying." So he said that मेरे घर आना है तो साड़ी पहननी पड़ेगी. And that way, 1.5 years, they understood each other. They got married. And when that family came here, the boys' family parents came to me. They said, the way you have prepared this girl, we cannot have a girl from our community this way. Because they accepted each other. And today it is 13 years of their married life. They are happy. They are role modeling their community. Because both families, see, totally different cultures. See, when they wanted to marry, the daughter's father said that I'll shoot that boy because I'm a retired army man. I'll shoot him.
Oh, yeah.
And now he says I'll never get a good son-in-law better than him because they adjusted. They accepted each other.
That's so nice. That's so learning. And ma'am, what are the probable reasons for the high rate of divorce that's happening? There are many, but then what do you think, according to our Indian culture, will be this?
Okay. So one of the reason which I feel is dominating right now is that previously, पहले जब ऐसा होता था महिलाएं खुद अर्न नहीं करती थी, ठीक है, now they are earning. जैसे शेफर्ड सर ने भी बताया कि अगर मेरे पास अर्निंग का सोर्स नहीं है, आई एम नॉट अर्निंग, आई एम डिपेंडेंट ऑन माय हस्बैंड, तो जो बोलेगा मुझे करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज मुझे वो सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, तो ही मैं सरवाइव कर पाऊंगी, तो ही मैं मेरे बच्चों की टेक केयर कर पाऊंगी. जब ये स्टेप मिसिंग होता है, जब फाइनेंशियली केपेबल नहीं है, तो वो सह लेती है क्योंकि उसके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है.
So many emotional pop in there.
Yes, in reality, yes. So I have one case जहाँ पे लड़की को मालूम है that my husband is having an extramarital affair. वो हस्बैंड को कन्फ्रंट कर रही है, हस्बैंड उसको बोल रहा है कि तुमको जाना है तो चले जाओ, मैं तो ये कंटिन्यू करूंगा अगर तुम कंसेंट देती हो. उनके पास उनकी 2 बच्चियां हैं, अगर तुम कंसेंट देती हो तो मैं तुम्हारा ध्यान रखूंगा, मैं दोनों बच्चियों का ध्यान रखूंगा, उनकी शादियां करवाऊंगा, उनका एजुकेशन का एक्सपेंस बेयर करूंगा, बट हाँ उसके अलावा मेरे पास से कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन मत रखो. Yes, and it is very sad that this girl was forced to sign as a witness on the live-in relationship agreement of the husband and the girlfriend. ये लड़की को फोर्स करके उसके पास से साइन करवाया था एज अ विटनेस कि आगे जाके वो कोई कोर्ट केस ना करे, जब करेगी तो ऐसा अग्रीमेंट दिखेगा कि उसने तो कंसेंट किया था ना, तभी विटनेस के तौर पे साइन किया. सो फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस इज लाइक वेरी मेजर रीजन. अब ऐसा हो गया दैट फीमेल्स आर अर्निंग, सो अभी उनको ये सहना नहीं है. पहले ऐसा था कि इसके वजह से वो रुक जाते थे, शादी में रुक जाते थे, कितना भी अब्यूजिव हो वो चला लेते थे. अब शी कैन इजीली वॉक ऑफ. जैसे सर ने बोला सेकंड ऑप्शन, आई हैव अ सेकंड ऑप्शन. So this is one of the major reason. दूसरा reason which I feel is कि पहले जैसे आपने बोला अभी कि compatible नहीं है ना? पहले ऐसा होता था कि शादी करवा दी गई और बोल दिया गया कि आपको इसी सेट में रहना है, ठीक है? सो वो अपना माइंड उस तरह से वायर करते थे कि मेरा जो भी है यही है। अभी ऐसा नहीं है। अभी ऐसा नहीं है। People are not ready to adjust.
True. They're not ready to combine because they have understood life better.
Exactly.
And they've grown over the years.
Exactly.
Painful experiences.
Yes. So that is again one of the major reason जिसके वजह से डिवोर्स के रेट्स बढ़ रहे हैं।
And there's no way we can actually counsel them out of it. It's all individualistic.
If we start counseling at early stage, then that is
Maybe,
possible.
but
Definitely.
I mean, it not happens maybe up is infuriated at a higher level.
Generally,
Comes out with-
yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
there is less. We can't go and orthodox and say any problem we can cap here.
True.
It looks that way.
And also,
We cannot
अभी
We can't always be a good shepherd.
so अभी ऐसा हो गया ना, everything we want very quickly. So the solution also we want very quickly. But when we talk about emotions, quick resolution हमें नहीं मिलता है. And of course, law में अभी mutual consent divorce is very easy. So लड़का लड़की मान लेंगे, हाँ चलो नहीं बन रहा है, नहीं जम रही है, चलो let's get divorced. आप अपने रास्ते, मैं मेरे रास्ते. See, there's a good sign also. That is a good sign also. क्योंकि बैड मैरिज में रहने से अच्छा है कि आप मूव अहेड करके अपनी अच्छी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ो. So there are two ways to look at this.
So that's not a happy ending, but there's a smile.
Uh,
Freedom of being yourself.
freedom of being yourself is the most happy moment I feel. So that is when you are the happiest.
You don't need to be enslaved by someone to
Yes.
exist.
Yes. So I usually say this कि marriage is a partnership. It's not ownership. ये जब आपके दिमाग में आ जाता है, जब आप इस कंसेप्ट में बिलीव करने लगोगे तो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस, डिवोर्स केसेस, ये सब की बात ही नहीं आएगी.
Oof.
That really happens.
This, if I can take a piece for a minute from you, has the focus shifted from for wedding rather than marriage? The wedding should be pre-wedding, wedding, and then I mean marriage is like taken a backseat.
Even you see a Bollywood movie, तो वहां पे भी जब तक शादी होती है तब की ही स्ट्रगल दिखाई जाती है. शादी के बाद क्या हुआ, nobody is interested to know. So of course what he's saying is right.
Everyone want destination wedding, है ना?
हाँ.
वो ये अपने हमारे जान पहचान में है. डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग हुआ 2 साल पहले. Already papers have been filed for divorce. 2 साल within 3 years.
It's a packet for 2 years.
They said, oh, they escaped too long. They pursued it 2 years. See, they were, when someone came to me for divorce in 3 months of married life, the girl said, "I don't know कि पुराने लोग 60 साल का कैसे रह सकते हैं?" So, Miss, I said, "What is your married life of your parents?" I said, "I don't think of that, but I don't want to stay with this guy." There was no tolerance.
प्लस अभी इजीली बोर हो जाना वाली चीज भी एक बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. वी आर स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू द रील्स. एक रील में हम लोग इतना जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं. अटेंशन स्पैन जैसे कम हो गया है, वैसे किसी को टॉलरेट करना ये भी स्पैन बहुत कम हो गया है.
Being exposed to the more we develop, the more you become inhuman. We need to be actually more all on the way. The more AI we use, the more artificial we become.
Yes,
Mm.
it has become artificial. I tell you. If you get disturbed with some emojis you get, you feel that is real and you get disturbed or happy. Either of it.
So, your advice to people experiencing matrimonial disputes?
Advice nowadays, that's a long list. I know it is not taken, but still, I wish if at all I had a wish list, and if I could prevail upon these people who are trying to fight, I would definitely tell them that before you go to a lawyer, before you go to a lawyer's step chamber, try to go to a restaurant or a coffee shop, or go for an outing. Spend some good time, quality time with each other. Try to iron out the differences, because the differences starts, first of all, it starts from the disagreement, and then it starts into destabilization. A disagreement starts, and then each house tries to destabilize the situation, or the way difference of opinions है, तो बाद में उनको step by step उससे पहले कोई अच्छी जगह पे बैठ के या फिर अच्छे काउंसलर्स को मिल के किस तरह शादी वर्कआउट हो सके, किस तरह शादी टूटे उसको ऊपर ज़्यादा दिमाग ना लगाएं, इस तरह इसको वर्कआउट करें, कहाँ डिफरेंस है उसको कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करें. बट एज शी राइटली सेड, वो दो एफर्ट्स जाने के लिए मेंटल फ्रेमवर्क आजकल के यूथ में नहीं है. Frustrating, long efforts, years of perseverance trying to convince the other. Availability of dating apps. बोलो तो ये नहीं तो मेरे पास तो 5 और कर है.
Options.
अपडेशन मोबाइल आज पुरानी हो गया, दूसरा नया एग्जिस्ट एनीमोर. नया मोबाइल
Update.
ये है का पूरा थोड़ा सा आउटडेटेड लगा तो वो अपग्रेड कर लिया, कार हाई फाई कार ले लिया. उसी तरह स्पाउस को भी अपग्रेड हो सकते हैं तुम्हारा लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से, तुम्हारा टेम्पररी स्टेटस सूट कर. ये सब जो दिक्कत होती है, then it is very difficult to give advice, but still I would advise that give a try before it turns out to that spark turns out into a wildfire can decay in. And if addressed at the right time, I can tell you with my experience an umpteen number of cases that at least 50% of the marriages can be saved.
So, I mean, why is it? I mean, is it that they don't put in an effort to do so, or they're not guided, or they don't approach people like you? What's the society? How does the society do better?
It can vary. For example, the law itself. Since we are talking about domestic violence, the parliament had to pass an entire act on it in 2005. After thorough discussion in the parliament, domestic violence act was passed, and which has got an inbuilt system of addressing almost the grievances told by my learned friend, all the grievances that a woman can come up with. In those days, out of imagination, they try to address one. Domestic violence has got a provision under section 18 to restrain physical abuse, emotional abuse, economical abuse, sexual abuse. Restraining order, the magistrate can pass a restraining order. आप वहाँ पे नहीं जाओगे, आप मोबाइल से इसी तरह मैसेज नहीं दे पाओगे अपनी वाइफ को, देना नहीं चाहिए, उनका रिलेटिव्स को अब्यूज नहीं करे. तो रिस्ट्रेनिंग ऑर्डर का प्रोविजन. रेजिडेंस ऑर्डर, किसी वाइफ को निकाल लिया घर से तो रेजिडेंस ऑर्डर सेम ऑल्टरनेट सेम उसी तरह का दूसरा रेजिडेंस अलॉट करना है, उसका पैसा हस्बैंड को देना पड़ेगा. रेजिडेंस ऑर्डर सेक्शन 90, section 20 for maintenance, monthly expenses, food and other maintenance के लिए.
So, majority of these issues that happen, the domestic violence or whatever it is, I believe because of the system that we are following, it goes unheard. Or people are scared to come out and report that इनके बिना हम मुझे कोई सहारा नहीं है. So they will live with that pain.
I am coming to the answer that why marriages, why the divorce really happens. So,
Right.
then internal child custody, compensation for mental agony, compensation is awarded for mental agony. It's a provision.
Okay.
What happens is actually this lady goes to an advocate. I'm sorry if I say this on camera, but then she is advised to file a police complaint. Filing a police complaint. Now the present BNS is section 85, wherein for cruelty and all that. The relative staying distant in other state or even overseas is roped in as an accused. The moment a boy, a male whose father or mother is made to run to the police station, arrested and then had to be enlarged on bail, then the chances of rapprochement are very, very, very less. Once they are dragged to the police station, then chances of reconciliation is almost nil. So the law that is prevalent are good enough to address the grievances of or the allegations of these women. But the moment you overstep that and try to use it as a tool to extract more, most of the cases are filed under section 85 DNS, erstwhile 498 IPC is done to extract a good amount at the time of one-time settlement. And the Honorable Supreme Court has also said that it should not be used as a tool for bargaining. So that is being used. The criminal cases, the parents and chacha, chachi, bhatija, all of them are dragged to the police station just for the sake of pressurizing them to part with a higher amount as a one-time permanent alimony. So that all our efforts take. And this is done most of the time due to legal advice, or on their own they go to net
Hmm.
IA sites and IA artificial intelligence sites, and they try to browse. And if you don't tell, then there are other adversaries.
Hmm.
So, being a man, let me know your views if a man becomes a victim of domestic violence.
Why should I share my view as a man? I share my view as a lawyer.
I captain.
So, see, many attempts, the man is also there. Many attempts. Probably his story is unheard of. Or he is shy of revealing this in the general public. Again, as I said earlier, I'll give a classic example of an incident where a male is a victim.
Hmm.
I'm sure again my audiences will not believe me, but then it is from me, from the horse's mouth. A person, he came to me in a chamber. This is about 6 years ago, and he came to me telling me that I'm having a problem, and it's a matrimonial problem. You'll have to help me out. You will have to help me out. So I said, tell me. He said me, first of all, my apologies. I don't have 1,000 rupees to pay you on the consulting charges. I said, so be it. But may I know the reason that you being whatever you are looking like. So why don't you have money to pay me for the first consultation? He said that I am so and so in a blue chip company, general manager of a blue chip company, and his take home salary at that time was 2,86,000. So I told him, then this is surprising. You don't have money to pay for it. I wanted him to speak out. I knew something was at the back of the mind, but not so severe as this. So he told me the entire money is under the watch and under the control of his wife. I told him, don't tell me you're masculine, you can definitely overcome that. He said, no, I'm afraid of the police. The moment she said it's police, I surrender.
Hmm.
I'm having the problem of the closed door phobia. And the moment they say police, I surrender because I cannot be behind bars even for 10 minutes. So she made me surrender my credit card, my debit card, my checkbook. And if I move out, I have to tell her that I have to buy banana 50 rupees. She'll pay me 50 rupees plus petrol money if it.
Oh,
And this is really happened.
Sir, actually, the problem doesn't exist. It's a mind camera metal block.
No,
Is it that they are suffering?
No, it is. I cannot share this on camera, and then, but then I will have to. I'm forced to share. Then he was forced to stand watch to her dirty affairs also. I told him this is the height. He started the fight, and today he is happily living his life. And he got promoted to the vice chairman of the same company, vice president of the same company, from GM2, and he's doing good in his profession. So nice. So he's also victim. And then there is another gentleman who came to me and who confided within the chamber, telling that he was kicked by his wife. He was beaten, and then to prove his point, he showed me the scars, the remote shirt, and so this is happening.
मैं एक केस आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा। मेरे कंपनी में एक यंग इंजीनियर था। रोज़ सुबह कुछ न कुछ वुंड देखती थी उस पर। तो मैं उसको पूछा कि रोज़ नया-नया क्या लेके आते हो? क्या करते हो घर में काम? तो ही सेड कि मिस ऐसे ही लग जाता है। मैंने कहा ऐसे नहीं लगता, ये मारा हुआ लगता है।
Hmm.
सो ही सेड आपने क्यों देखा मेरे सामने? तो मैंने कहा मिस मैं टीचर हूँ, मेरे ध्यान में आता है। ही सेड मेरी वाइफ मुझे रोज़ मारती है। तो आई सेड मारती है तो क्यों मारती है? बोले मैं ऑफिस जाने से पहले शी हैड 10 क्वेश्चंस एंड इफ आई डोंट आंसर वन, मैं जाने से पहले कुछ भी तो मारती है। तो दैट डे ही हैड वुंड हियर। तो ही सेड मैं अपने घर में ड्रेसिंग मटेरियल सब रखता हूँ, घर में लगा के आता हूँ। एवरी डे इट हैपेंस बिकॉज़ शी डजंट ट्रस्ट मी। And he gave examples. So I said, this is not trust. I think this needs intervention. So clinically मैंने उनको वाइफ को कंपनी पर बुलाया, असेसमेंट करने के बाद इट केम आउट स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया, मेंटल हेल्थ कंडीशन जो क्यूरेबल नहीं। एंड इट वाज ट्रीटेड, वो मारती है, गुस्सा वाली नहीं थी, इट वाज शी वाज डिस्ट्रस्टिंग हिम एंड देयरफॉर शी वाज ईटिंग। सो सबको लगता है कि रोज मारती है, शाम को उसको खाना खिलाती है, वो दोनों साथ में रहते हैं, नो वन वाज नोटिसिंग इट। But after treatment of 6 months, then she realized how she was behaving. And then she felt very sorry. That husband showed, look at this, these are all your tumhare nishan hai. And she used to hate something. And he was coming to office, every time he used to have new cover, no? And it was that. And it was considered कि ये तो घर में होता रहता है. No one noticed it something abnormal. And when she was put on for treatment, then things are now okay. Now he says now अभी मारती नहीं है, सवाल पूछती है, अब मारती नहीं है. So the suspicion has not gone because you are noticed and no one treated for pathology. It was not violence necessarily, it was mental condition. The violence at times shows mental condition. So you should treat, not always go in law, but it need treatment.
Ma'am, do you think that females sometimes use or misuse the legal provisions?
In matrimonial cases, see, the laws are made for the protection of females. Why? लॉ में जो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वहां पे ऐसा दिया गया है कि स्पेशल लॉ, वैसे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इक्वालिटी अंडर आर्टिकल 14, देन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पेशल प्रोविजंस टू बी मेड फॉर फीमेल्स एंड चिल्ड्रन. व्हाई? बिकॉज सिंस एजेस फीमेल्स के साथ में गलत होता हुआ आ रहा है. दे हैव बीन कंसिडर्ड टू बी मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटी, तो उनके लिए अलग से लॉज बनाए गए हैं. नाउ आई वुड से कि कौन से ऐसे लॉज है जो मिसयूज नहीं होते, but why the attention is only on the laws females are using, right? So that is one way to look at it. But of course I cannot deny that these provisions are not being misused. Sometimes the provisions are in reality actually being misused. काफी बार ऐसा भी होता है, जैसे सर ने अभी एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि लड़की है वो अपने हस्बैंड को मारती है, ठीक है, बट लोगों की जो हमारी सोसाइटी की जो परसेप्शन है वो हमेशा ऐसा ही रहती है कि लड़की कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकती, बिकॉज वी यूजुअली बिलीव कि फीमेल्स आर मोर सेंसिबल, मोर इमोशनल. सो वो ऐसा अब्यूज करेगी, वैसे चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं, वैसा सोसाइटी का परसेप्शन हो गया है. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था, लड़की आके बताती है मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ हो गया, लोगों की उसके तरफ देखने की नजर हमेशा सिंपैथी की होगी. बट जब कोई लड़का आके बताता है, सोसाइटी इज नॉट गोइंग टू बिलीव देम. इन एडिशन टू दैट दे लाफ, है ना, बिकॉज वी हैव दिस कंसेप्ट कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता है ना, बट दैट इज नॉट द रियलिटी. काफी बार ये जो प्रोविजंस है, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के जो प्रोविजन है, क्रूअल्टी के रिलेटेड प्रोविजंस है, वो भी मिसयूज होते हैं. फीमेल्स भी इसका मिसयूज करती है. पर सोल्यूशन है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें पूरे लॉ को ही हटा देना है. सोल्यूशन इज इन दैट कि फीमेल्स को भी समझाया जाए कि ये प्रोविजन आपके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए बने हैं, उसको आपको वेपन के तौर पे यूज नहीं करना है. सो ये बदला लेने की जो भावना है ना, उसको हमें एड्रेस करना है. अगर हम उसको सक्सेसफुली एड्रेस कर पाए तो फिर ये मिसयूज वाली, फॉर दैट मैटर यूज की भी कहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी, तो मिसयूज का चांस आए, है ना.
After all this wise discussions over here, I would like to invite you to put up certain views about the takeaways of this particular moment that we shared. Can be educative to many and inspiring to many. The Good Shepherd, please.
Okay, two things I would like to say is that don't get misled by the word violence in the law. I mean, it's violence we normally attribute to harm or injury or a fracture or even as much as death, right? Violence could be anything, right? From belittling, mocking somebody at a public event or a private event, or right from there it can just pick up, right? So I would request everyone to be aware, to be alert to these little signals that pump up anytime, anywhere. Okay, it could be a verbal signal, it could be a body language signal also. Okay, but take it, because once it starts, it will just keep on building up. It's like at start I talked about the tiger, right? Once starts, gets taste, it will just keep on moving up and up and up the instances. So be alert, make yourself aware.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Karkare, आपके क्या विचार है इस विषय के
जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया था कि अपनी जो 4 इमोशनल नीड्स है, ऑरा प्रिंसिपल, एक्सेप्टेंस, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, रिस्पेक्टिंग एंड अप्रिशिएटिंग, यदि ये इमोशनली म्यूचुअल सेटिस्फाई होती है तो कोर्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं, द वायलेंस होगा ही नहीं. ये बिकॉज फिर एक्सेप्टेंस, जेन्युइन एक्सेप्टेंस, स्वीकार, एक दूसरे का समझ, एक दूसरे का आदर और एक दूसरे की सराहना, ये करेंगे तो कभी झगड़े होंगे ही नहीं.
That's a nice message. The society really needs that. Thank you so much.
Like that. Or